Cheers! What's up? What's going on? What is in this box? Boys and their toys. Definitely. Domani, tenana, Gubbio, il Benevento, va Potenza. Potenza! Yeah, Potenza is in there. It is an exhaust. Of course it is. Shall we take it? It is W1R RPM exhaust. I heard it is quite good. Ooh, oh man, triple. Oh wow, triple tailpipe. Not bad, not bad. 17.5, 20, 22.5. Just like this is good. So it will be tight. Does look decent. Curious about its power. I'm gonna take it on the dyno with a VNC 244 rotary wheel. Hi Manifold, that's the Polini box. This is cool. Can you tell which one is Reffy, which one is Hooky? Look quite the same, does it? As I always say, you cannot tell from the outside if it is a good box, a Reffy box or a torque box. It's more about meters than just the look-alike from the outside.